Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on WSM, which I will call WSM from now on. Some people were commenting, why are you still calling it the Wall Street memes pre-sale? I don't know. I've called it that for months. You know, it's kind of you have to get used to the new situation. But yeah, we'll do an analysis on WSM, or the Wall Street memes token. A full analysis. Yesterday we covered it. Obviously, then it was still quite bearish. We actually dropped down all the way to 5 cents. So from there, what I said is that, well, it looks very bearish right now, but there is a way to recover, and that would be breaking above 6 cents, which it has done right now. Situation is still a little bit unclear, so that's why I wanted to make a new update on that, give you all the possible scenarios from here. Just in general, look at some things, look at some interesting things or at least that might be interesting, and give you a full update. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, I do want to briefly tell you or remind you that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. So for example, some of the trades we took are, if I can find them quickly, combo right here did pretty well, took it from down here, rallied pretty nicely. DAR took it from right here, rallied pretty nicely, is still quite bullish right now as well. Lever, very bullish, took it all the way from down here. You get the idea, all right? So I post my own trades in there. I'm a profitable trader, but you also gain access to a chat room and a trading guide, which is very valuable to learn how to trade yourself as well. If that sounds interesting, consider joining. Now into WSM. So what we're seeing with WSM right now is that it's actually regaining a little bit of momentum. Not too much. Volume is still down over the last 24 hours, but it's actually up over the last like 12 hours. So it's difficult to say. But the big question now is was this mainly because of the bullish momentum from Bitcoin, which obviously showed a lot of bullish momentum, or did this also come from WSM? Like in my eyes, it's not bullish enough yet. Like yesterday I said that we needed to break above 6 cents. I think that level is a little bit higher, especially now that there's quite a lot of bullish momentum in the markets in general, but what we need is bullish momentum for WSM specifically. That's the only way WSM could get back to 7.5 cents, just above. These orange boxes are, by the way, Fibonacci extension levels. I deleted the fibs because it looked a little bit messy. But the only way we could get there is if WSM shows bullish momentum on its own as well. And that's not the case right now. So the only way for that to be the case is, I would think, and I'm not even sure if this is enough, but I do think right now that it's Monday and at least some volume is getting into WSM again, that this should be enough. And that is breaking above the 0.5 fib right here at 6.2 cents. So that's 0.062. If WSM is able to break above that, I expect some resistance from Bitcoin as well. So if WSM breaks above that, then that shows there's enough momentum coming from WSM specifically, and it will be able to get back up towards 7/7.5 cents, this area up here. And then from there we'll see. I mean, it will depend a lot on how WSM reacts to this level, whether we'll be able to get up towards 8.5. Because, for example, if WSM barely finds any resistance here and, for example, breaks above 7 cents instantly and is up here, it will likely continue up to 8.5/8.7. However, on the other side, if WSM is not able, like if it finds resistance at 7 cents already and drops back down towards 6.2, then it's more likely that we'll probably consolidate here and not be as bullish. So that's something we'll have to await. For now, that bullish breakout is the main thing we're waiting for. If WSM is not able to get that bullish breakout, it's not enough, and it will probably drop. All right, it will probably drop down towards 5.5 again, drop down below that, down to 5 cents, and probably lower afterwards. But I do think, to end the video, I do think the bullish breakout is the most likely scenario. So we'll see. All right, I would not trade WSM right now. It's way too volatile, way too unpredictable, for me at least. But if you do have any questions about this analysis, about WSM in general, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.